Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a fun holiday DIY, and what we are going to be doing is basically a door decor DIY situation. And you're probably thinking, what is door decor? I don't get it. So basically what door decor is you decorate your door either to your bedroom, your bathroom, laundry room, kids' bedroom, so on and so forth, any door in your house basically. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, because I was looking through Pinterest, is I am going to go ahead and decorate my bedroom door, which is over here, and as well my bathroom door and the laundry room door. And I went ahead and sketched out some cute holiday designs. So one of my doors is going to be actually Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The other one is going to be the Grinch. And then I'm debating between Olaf and a snowman. So basically what you're going to go ahead and need for this is construction paper. I went ahead and got some orange, black, white, red, green, and this sparkly brown for the reindeer antlers. And I actually went ahead and got this at Target in the dollar section. For the holidays, they actually have Cricut paper and Cricut vinyl. So I went ahead and got this there, and I'm going to be using that for the antlers. As well, you will go ahead and need some scissors and some either masking tape or double-sided tape so that you can go ahead and place it on your door, and as well make sure it doesn't take off the paint of your door if the paint is very like loose or fragile or old. And then for my circles, so like for my eyes and my buttons, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Bath and Body Works circle cap to go ahead and trace it out. And yeah, that's pretty much all you will go ahead and need. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and freehanded the designs that I went ahead and used. I did end up sticking to the Grinch, Olaf, and a reindeer. And those are going to be the three that go around my door. So I'm thinking the reindeer will go on my door, the Grinch will go on the bathroom door, and then the Olaf will go on the laundry room door. And let me go ahead and show you guys out. Like I said, I just freehanded these, or I looked them up on Pinterest to see what the designs kind of looked at, and then just measured it according to my door. So let's go ahead and put these on, and let me go ahead and show you as well the designs. Okay, so this is going to be my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and as you can see, I went ahead and laid it down on my bed on a white background. And then this is my Grinch one, which is just the Grinch foot and as well the Grinch hand. For this, I actually went ahead and cut it separately, and then I taped it on the back here, as you can see. And then I did the same thing for this one, for the Grinch hand with the ornament. And then lastly is my Olaf one. I'm sure this one will look better on the floor, but I went ahead and did his little stick head, his eyebrows. They look kind of like chola eyebrows. His eyes, his nose, and then his little mouth. So let's go ahead and put these all on the doors. Okay, so I have my designs right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use regular Scotch tape, as you can see, and put some on the back of the designs. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and placed this one. It's very basic, but I really like it, and the simplicity of it with its little sarcastic mouth right there. So let's go ahead and do this door and then the laundry room door, and then we will be done. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my holiday door decor decorations. Feel free to go ahead and try these out. There is a ton of them on Pinterest. If you look up holiday door decorations or holiday door decor, they should all pop up. There were some cute ones with some trees, some with like a string of lights going down the door. But yeah, feel free to go ahead and leave me a comment if you like this, or if you went ahead and tried any of these for your kids, for yourself, for any of the doors in your house. And feel free to give it a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't like it, share it with your friends, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's Eve, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!